Yo, good day everyone. Yeah, we are here at the moment in the car park of Nelson Bay Marina. Yeah, Nelson Bay Portia. Car park is actually fully occupied. Yeah, when I come here, I had difficulties to find a space, but at the moment, yeah, there's some space over there. Yeah, it is actually already 7:02, and it's still bright like this. Yeah, I've been here since maybe 2:30. Yeah, because today I work from 6 o'clock and I finish at 2 o'clock. Yeah, I drive up straight here in the Marina area. Yeah, still a lot of people actually, and it is very windy. I hope it is not noisy. Yeah, the video. I have this, so I hope it is not noisy. Yeah, the wind breeze is just amazing, so good. And it is cloudy at the moment, but actually when I first arrived here, it was all blue. But yeah, I was in the van because I was feeling very hot, so I stay in the van. And you know, this vlog is actually already like a third attempt. Yeah. The first one, I write a vlog. I mean, the first time I tried to vlog using a script, yeah, from ChatGPT and from Gemini. Yeah, but yeah, there are some words that is actually I feel like it's fake. Yeah, it's not sincere, and so I am recording again this vlog. Yeah, and so I am using my own words, my own grammar, my own English. Yeah, and I feel good doing like this than using,
Hello guys.
vlogging fake using ChatGPT and other AI kind of script. Yeah, I don't want to do that, but maybe in the future I will do, but yeah, this time it's my real English. Nelson Bay these days, the Bay Area is actually buzzing with different activities. Yeah, you're going to see people doing the jet ski. There is a water playground over there. Yeah, lots of kids with families swimming over there. And during the day, yeah, those ferries actually, they are roaming around the Bay Area. Yeah, full of people. And they are stopping every time they see dolphins. There is also this kind of water playground. It is closed now, but yeah, during the day operation, yeah, lots of people. Not just kids, but adults, they are also playing over there. And also people fishing over there. Yeah, just like them, they're going to fish. Oh, this vlog is actually going to be a catch-up because I have a lot of videos, yeah, that has been very delayed. Yeah, the last vlog that I uploaded was the one when I arrived coming from Tasmania. Yeah, I am back here in New South Wales, and yeah, you know, the climate difference between New South Wales and in Tasmania is astonishing. Yeah, big difference. Yeah, there are days in Tasmania that feels like winter. The fact that it is actually summer here in Australia. Another things that captivated me while in Tasmania were the houses and buildings in the city of Hobart in Launceston. Yeah, they are looks old and beautiful. Yeah, it says a lot of history about the city. And in case you don't know, Hobart and Launceston, they are actually two of the oldest city here in Australia. Yeah, they are just younger than Sydney. And now here we are in the actual Albura Marina. Yeah, there are shops and restaurants here. Some shops are closed already. Some restaurants also closed already. But the pub-like restaurant, they are still open. Yeah, just like this one, Hugs Bread Cafe, and this one down here is a kind of pub. They serve a lot of alcoholic beverages. And yeah, I'm actually shy to get inside a place like that, the pub. But I've been up there in the Hugs Bread Cafe because that one is a regular restaurant. Yeah, now I'm back here in Nelson Bay, here in New South Wales, and embracing the summer heat once more. And it's actually been very busy since the school holiday kicks off last December 22. At work, we are actually serving over 200 packs. Yeah, in the breakfast buffet. Yeah, every day. On Christmas Day, I was actually working breakfast. Yeah, so regular shift. Yeah, from 6 o'clock and finished 2 o'clock. And Divina was working until 4 o'clock doing Christmas lunch service. But Inigo is actually sick leave. I'm actually very hungry now. That's why we are here in the restaurant. And I ordered fish and chips and this Sprite. And it costs $25 total. And this is the view in here. That's the Marina. That's the main Albura Marina area. There is a group of people over there. They are fishing. And this is another restaurant. I don't know if they normally serve it like this, but they actually said takeaway. So maybe that's why. And I'm going to use this. Yeah, I'm satisfied with that fish and chips. Yeah, full now. So as I was saying, Inigo is actually on sick leave during the Christmas season. Yeah, but he's actually working now. He just started again working yesterday.
I miss you guys. I miss everyone in Robbie's vlog. Tita Lulu, Merry Christmas. Miss Duck, Merry Christmas. Hi, Wally, Merry Christmas. Pastor, Merry Christmas. Sino ba? Si Maureen, Merry Christmas. Sorry sa mga hindi ko nabate. Merry Christmas po sa inyong lahat.
Basically, the exhaust pipe of the motorcycle touches his legs, and yeah, his legs got burned and actually cooked. Yeah, and it is needed to go on surgery. Yeah, so yeah, Inigo went for surgery and not working for about 3 weeks. Yeah, but on Christmas Day, we went to the house of Divina. Yeah, after work. And yeah, we celebrate the Christmas with the family of Divina. Divina has a big family here in Nelson Bay. A lot of Filipino food and Western food also. And I was actually surprised that auntie gave me a gift. Yeah, kind of boiler, like a mug, a 12 volts mug. Yeah, which is very useful for my van, for my camping. Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you po. Oh, wow! Self-steering one. Thank you po.
Self-steering?
Self-steering one.
Yeah.
I got from Tita. Sa'yo.
Boil, like a kettle, but yeah,
Nice.
camping.
Napapanood niyo yung vlog niya? Yeah.
Salamat
Okay
po.
ba pumunta kayo sa vlog niya?
We play some games,
Merry
lot of chatting, and of course, they gave me some takeaway, food takeaway. Yeah. Oh, those are the people that I showed you a while ago. They are fishing over there. Also here, there are some people fishing here. Oh, looks like it is going to rain. Actually, looks like it is raining there already. And then on New Year's Eve, I was actually working, yeah, doing the dinner service. But the time I finished actually at 8 o'clock. And yeah, over there, near to my workplace is just over there. And the fireworks is actually here. So, yeah, a little bit of the fireworks I can see from the workplace. Yeah, I actually recorded some video, but yeah, almost nothing. Not very satisfying. Yeah, and you know, last year, I was working breakfast. And so I was able to go over there on the hills, yeah, to see the fireworks. But yeah, it was covered by those trees, so I didn't really see also the fireworks here. The fireworks here is actually at 9 o'clock, not at 12 o'clock. Yeah, but in Sydney Harbor Bridge, they do the fireworks, yeah, 12 o'clock, midnight. I also seen some videos of the fireworks in the Philippines, New Year's Eve. It's like the whole city, the Metro Manila, is you know, in a battleground. Yeah, lots of popping everywhere, lightning, fireworks everywhere. Yeah, looks like a battleground. You can see in YouTube and it looks amazing, but I think it's not good. But yeah, it's beautiful. And usually after work, yeah, I'm just parking somewhere. Usually at the sports center because I run and yeah, I run in the oval. Also swim in the swimming pool, not in the beach because I'm still learning to swim, you know. Yeah, and actually, yeah, my foot, both of them, yeah, my ankle, they are actually paining. Yeah, I don't know. It started when I did the running. Started running. Yeah, I can walk normally, but I feel some pain. I don't know. I think it's just because it's like adjusting with my activity, with my running. Hopefully, it's just like that. But also, you know, at the swimming pool, it's also always busy. Yeah. Whenever I see that already a lot of people in the swimming pool, yeah, I don't go. I just stay in the barn or run. Of course, walking around and meeting new friends. Yeah, I would like to say hi to Jing Manalaysay. Thank you for watching, and hopefully next time you are joining your friends. Yo, I would like to welcome Arla and family, and happy birthday to Summer. Happy birthday, Summer. This place is very busy during midday, especially when the sky is blue, when it is sunny and hot. All the beaches around the Bay Area, yeah, lots of people. Yeah, family, group of friends. Yeah, so good to see. Beautiful place is more beautiful when there are lots of people. Yeah, because a beautiful place without people, yeah, it's boring, quiet. But of course, some people like that, a quiet, beautiful place. I like that too sometimes. And usually on my days off, I go to Newcastle, to my apartment, yeah, to do my laundry. Yeah, I sometimes sleep in the park, in the van.
But look at
Yeah,
the other
exploring familiar places again.
Yeah,
Yeah,
the field is
also
actually
Newcastle
over
is a busy place. Yeah, Newcastle Beach. Yeah, Newcastle Bath. Yeah, that's always busy. Also the Bogey Hall. Yeah, also busy. Lots of people. Yeah. Also, it looks really beautiful. Lots of people everywhere. Yeah, this is how it is during summers in Australia. So basically, the people from inland, they go to the coastal area and yeah, experiencing the summer. This very busy time is going to end with the last week of January. Yeah, so basically end of the school holiday. So students will be back to school, but for sure it is still going to be busy for the rest of the summer, especially on the weekends. I don't know if you can hear the noise, but it's actually very noisy. And those noise is coming from the lorikeet, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Pool. I actually don't see any of them. Yeah, I don't see any. But very noisy. Yeah, in here lots of people. Oh, the ice cream shop still open. Yeah, business is good during summer, during school holidays. I must admit, I haven't regularly uploading video. Yeah, that is because I am too tired to edit videos. Yeah, after work, especially these days. Yeah, very busy. But I am, I'm actually regularly recording myself, vlogging. Yeah, just really too tired to do the editing. Yeah, I'm back here in my van. And if you remember also, yeah, I'm actually renovating my camper van. Yeah, you remember last time I was doing the sliding bed. And because it is dark here now, I will show you tomorrow how it really looks now. It's different from how it was before. And that's it. Yeah, thank you for watching the video. Bye.